Christianity is not for black people. Something that is not for you, you will not know how to practice it. You heard me well. I will give one or two examples. Prove me wrong if this example I make, if I'm lying. Let me start with accident. Car accident. Accident happen, very serious accident. The car is burning. People are still there. Instead of black people to quickly try to rescue people that are in the car, what they will now be saying, blood of Jesus, God, they will now be praying. In there before, all those people will burn to ashes. If some manage survive, they did not die in that scene. If they now put them in the car to go to hospital, go slow, we end up some people because nobody want to give anybody chance. It doesn't concern drivers that are driving. If there's a dying person in the car, it doesn't concern them. No ambulance. Then some that still manage to reach hospital, they will say deposit. If they did not pay deposit, they will not treat them. They will end up their life there. Some that can still manage to pay deposit, what will now end up their life? No light. It's either no light, or if there is no light, no oxygen. So many people has passed on through this process. The same people that was praying, oh God, Jesus, as soon as the accident happened, 50-70% of those people that stand, they will start looting properties of the people that have that accident. You see them looting. Take the same scenario to abroad. If accident happen in abroad, you see people, they will call police, they will call ambulance. 5 minutes maximum. Police is there, ambulance is there. If you require fire extinguisher people, they will come, and every car that will stop, they all have fire extinguisher. If not all, at least if 5 car park, 2, 3 will have fire extinguisher. They are calling ambulance. Ambulance is coming. Police is coming. As ambulance come immediately, right inside that ambulance, they start treating them. Then even before ambulance come, people that are there, first aid. If 10 people stand, 7 know how to do first aid. If 100 people stand in Nigeria, 99.9, they don't know what is first aid. Many people that would have survived just for you to do them animation, first aid. Give them a pump their heart. Because we don't know. We are calling Jesus, we are calling God. I've never seen where God come down and save anybody in Africa. Jesus never come down, save anybody in Africa. Because we fail to do our work, we will not let God do his work. We will not let Jesus do his work. Here, once that thing happen, police will come, ambulance will come, everybody that surround, those that know how to do first aid, you see them, they are doing first aid. They will save people's life. Because they know how to do their job. They don't disturb God. They don't worry Jesus. As they are doing their job perfectly and well good, God will now be doing his work. Jesus will now be doing his work. Some of those people will be safe. The one that will pass on through that process, insurance will compensate the family. You heard me well. Insurance will compensate the family. Government will come into the matter. They will start helping the children, the one that remain depend. So they will not leave them to be stranded and suffer. This is why I said something that is not for you, you don't know how to practice it. We so much call God on little thing. This is an example now. This is my glasses. You see this, my glasses here? This is screw. The screw pull off. If it is before, if you pull off this one, oh Jesus, oh God, what is this? Oh God, I will be saying God. Now, I don't call God anymore. I don't call Jesus anymore. You see this one? I bought this one now. If I see that the thing want to lose, I will screw it by myself. Because I don't call God 24 hours a day. I don't call Jesus 24 hours a day. I do my work. God do his work in my life. Jesus do his work in my life. I'm telling you the truth. We call him when we don't supposed to call him. At the end of the day, he doesn't answer Africa. I hope this video helped.